The market for foldable phones has another contender now that the OnePlus Open has made its official debut. First teased at Mobile World Congress this past spring, the notebook-style foldable from OnePlus looks to go toe-to-toe against similar phones from Samsung and Google. OnePlus took the wraps off the Open during a OnePlus Open live event on October 19. The OnePlus Open boasts larger displays than the competition, but even more eye-catching is its price. With a regular starting price of $1,699, the OnePlus Open costs $100 less than the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Google Pixel Fold. A trade-in offer from OnePlus drops the price even lower. Can the OnePlus Open live up to expectations? Otherwise, here's what you need to know about the latest device to challenge for the title of Best Foldable Phone. After its October 19 debut, the OnePlus Open goes on sale October 26. As noted above, the Open costs $1,699/£1,599. That gets you a 512 GB device with 16 GB of memory. In contrast, the $1,799 Galaxy Z Fold 5 comes with 256 GB of storage. As part of a pre-order deal, OnePlus will accept trade-ins. You can present any phone in any condition for a $200 rebate, dropping the price of your phone to $1,499. OnePlus says that promotion will continue through the lifetime of the device. While $1,699 is still a lot of money, it's less than what phone makers have charged for a notebook-style foldable. Foldable flip phones cost around $1,000 these days. Both the Galaxy Z Fold and Pixel Fold start at $1,799, giving OnePlus a pricing edge over its closest rivals. The most notable thing about the OnePlus Open design is how closely the device matches the size of a conventional smartphone when folded shut. Although closed, OnePlus Open is much thicker than a standard smartphone, obviously. At 6.03 x 2.88 x 0.46 inches, the Open isn't as wide as the Pixel Fold or as narrow as the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The OnePlus Open unfolds to reveal a 7.82-inch screen, which is more display real estate than you get with the foldables from Samsung and Google. The Open's flexion hinge helps the device unfold, and OnePlus touts how compact it is, 69 parts compared to an industry average of more than 100 parts for a hinge. That frees up more space inside the phone, according to OnePlus. Even with the compact hinge, OnePlus is promising a durable device with the Open. The hinge went through 1 million test folds, with OnePlus estimating the hinge can hold up for a decade of folding and unfolding. The OnePlus Open also offers IPX4 water resistance, which means it can stand up to a splash but not full immersion like the Galaxy Z Fold 5 can. OnePlus has teamed up with lens specialist Hasselblad on recent flagships, and that partnership is once again on display with the OnePlus Open's camera setup. The rear camera array features 3 lenses, a 48MP main camera joined by a 48MP ultrawide shooter and a 64MP telephoto lens. That latter camera can deliver a 3x optical zoom. OnePlus is particularly proud of the main camera, which uses a pixel-stacked Sony LYT-T808 sensor that's built to take in more light by stacking pixels to free up more space. The end result should be brighter, clearer photos with less risk of overexposure. You get 2 selfie cams on the OnePlus Open. The outer display features a 32MP sensor, while there's a 20MP shooter on the interior display. Now that the OnePlus Open is here, we'll be interested to see how it matches up with other foldables. With its big screens and low price tag, the OnePlus Open immediately emerges as a device worth taking seriously if you've been considering a move to a foldable device. What impact will the OnePlus Open have on the foldable phone market? Do let us know your thoughts about it in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.